Drinking 8 glasses of water a day, but still tired, dizzy, or brain fogged? You're not alone, and here's the reason why most Americans aren't truly hydrated. Millions think water is enough. The truth is, hydration isn't just about volume, it's about what your body actually absorbs and retains. In this video, we'll show you the hidden reasons your water isn't working and the simple fixes to feel energized fast. Number 1. Electrolytes matter. Water without minerals like sodium, potassium, magnesium, and calcium won't stay in your cells. Without them, fluids pass through your body too quickly, leaving you tired and thirsty no matter how much you drink. Number 2. Hormones and kidneys play a role. ADH, or antidiuretic hormone, and kidney function control fluid retention. Stress, aging, or high-sugar diets can disrupt this system, causing hidden dehydration even if your water intake looks perfect. Number 3. Hidden dehydrators. Coffee, soda, and alcohol increase urine output. Many Americans think these beverages count toward hydration. They don't. Over time, these drinks can drain your body of fluids. Number 4. Chronic low-grade inflammation. Inflammation from diet, stress, or lack of sleep can prevent cells from holding water properly. Fatigue, headaches, and brain fog aren't just normal. They're signs your body is dehydrated on a cellular level. Number 5. Lifestyle and environment. Exercise, dry climates, and indoor heating or AC increase fluid needs. Plain water often isn't enough in these conditions, especially for busy Americans on the go. Quick fixes. Add electrolyte-rich foods like bananas, spinach, and avocado. Use a pinch of sea salt or an electrolyte powder in water. Monitor hydration by urine color and energy levels. Sip water steadily instead of gulping large amounts at once. Reduce diuretic drinks like coffee or alcohol. Remember, next time you reach for water, electrolytes, hormones, and lifestyle matter more than quantity alone. Stay hydrated the smart way. Your energy and brain will thank you. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who cares about their health.